How do I connect my Xbox 360 controller to Bluetooth on my computer or device?
Welcome to this step-by-step guide. Today, we're going to tackle the question, how do you connect your Xbox 360 controller to Bluetooth on your computer or device? It's a straightforward process once you know what to do, and we're here to guide you through it.
What do you need?
First, let's cover what you'll need. 1. An Xbox 360 controller. 2. A compatible computer or device with Bluetooth capability. 3. A wireless gaming receiver for Xbox 360, if your controller is not Bluetooth enabled. Please note that not all Xbox 360 controllers support Bluetooth connectivity. Many original Xbox 360 controllers need a wireless gaming receiver to connect to other devices.
Does your Xbox 360 controller support Bluetooth?
To check if your controller supports Bluetooth, look at the plastic surrounding the guide button, the big Xbox logo button. If it's part of the same plastic piece as the face of the controller, it's Bluetooth enabled. If it's part of the top where the bumpers are, it's not Bluetooth enabled.
Connecting a Bluetooth-enabled Xbox 360 controller.
If your controller does support Bluetooth, here are the steps to connect it. 1. Turn on your Xbox 360 controller by holding down the guide button. 2. Put your controller in pairing mode by pressing and holding the guide button and the sync button at the same time. 3. On your computer or device, go to the Bluetooth settings and turn Bluetooth on. 4. Find your Xbox 360 controller in the list of available devices and select it. Your Xbox 360 controller should now be connected via Bluetooth.
Connecting a non-Bluetooth Xbox 360 controller.
If your Xbox 360 controller does not support Bluetooth, you'll need a wireless gaming receiver. Here's how to connect it. 1. Plug the wireless gaming receiver into a USB port on your computer or device. 2. Turn on your Xbox 360 controller by holding down the guide button. 3. Press the sync button on the wireless gaming receiver, then press the sync button on your controller. Your Xbox 360 controller should now be connected. And that's how you connect your Xbox 360 controller to Bluetooth on your computer or device. Whether your controller supports Bluetooth or requires a wireless gaming receiver, you now know how to get it connected. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy gaming!